Now we have next topic, equation of motion by velocity time graph. Now for the first equation of motion, we know acceleration is equal to slope of velocity time graph, that is tan theta. From this graph, in triangle ACB, tan theta perpendicular upon base, that is BC upon AC. BC is total BB1 minus CB1. We can write BB1 minus CB1, and AC is, that is B1 into A1. Now acceleration is, according to the graph, this BB1 is OB2. This is OB2 minus this CB1, this is OA2. This is OA2 upon B1 A1. This is equal to T2 minus T1. A is equal to OB2 from this graph. V2 OA2 is equal to V1. This is V2 minus V1 by T2 minus T1. Let me suppose V2 is equal to V, V1 is equal to U, and T2 minus T1, that is equal to T. So we can write here A is equal to V minus U upon T, or V minus U is equal to AT, or V is equal to U plus AT. This is first equation of motion. For the second equation of motion, we know displacement equal to area of velocity time graph. So we can say here, this is triangle, this is rectangle. Area of rectangle plus area of triangle. Area of rectangle, length into breadth. This is AA1 into B1 A1 plus area of a triangle, half into base into height, half into base AC into height BC. As equal AA1, according to the graph, this is equal to OA2 into B1 A1. This is T2 minus T1 half into AC. Now from the equation number first, we can find BC is equal to acceleration into AC. This is acceleration into AC as equal to OA2. This OA2 is equal to V1 into T2 minus T1 half into AC. This is T2 minus T1, acceleration A. This is T2 minus T1. So S is equal to, now we know, let V1 is equal to U, T2 minus T1 is equal to T. So S is equal to UT plus half into AT square. This is called second equation of motion. For the third equation of motion, displacement equal area of velocity time graph. This is equals to area of trapezium BA A1 B1 half into sum of parallel side. This is A1 plus B1 into height AC. From here AC is equal to BC upon acceleration. Now S is equal to half into this A1 plus B1. This is B plus U. AC is BC upon A. This is half into V plus U. Value of BC is B minus U by A. So this is A plus B, A minus B. So we can write here S is equal to half into V square minus U square upon 2. Or we can write V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. This is called third equation of motion. V square minus U square is equal to 2 into A into S.